Are you looking for a way to show before and after pictures on your website? Well, keep watching. In this video, I'll walk you through how you can show before and after pictures in WordPress. Normally this can be done in photo editing software like Photoshop, but here's an easy way to do it all on your website. The first thing we want to do is let's head over to our WordPress dashboard. We're going to head over to the plugins area, click Add New. And in the search area, you want to search for a plugin called 2020 Image Before-After. This is the one we're looking for, so let's go ahead and click Install Now. Once it's installed, you'll also want to make sure that you activate the plugin. Once it's activated, you can create your posts like you normally do. You can also edit a post if you want, so we'll go ahead and go into Edit This Post. And you see up here there's a new button that you can use to add the 2020 images. Scroll down to where you want to add it. I'm going to start a new line here. Then I'm going to click on the Add 2020 button. You pick the two images that you want. Make sure you add the title and the alt, and then click Insert. From here, you can fill out all of this information. We'll do before and after. Once you fill all of this out, you can click Insert Shortcode, and then you'll see the shortcode here. And now we can update the post. And then once we update it, we can see it in action. So now scrolling down, we have this great area where you can see the before and after picture and what it looks like. And that's a real quick, easy way to add before and after pictures on your WordPress website. Did you learn something from today's video? If so, subscribe to our YouTube channel and we'll send more helpful tips to help you manage your WordPress website. And thanks for watching.